Crack the code. Mastering idiomatic expressions with context clues. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions and how to understand them using context clues. Understanding idiomatic expressions can be a bit challenging, but once you master the skill of using context clues, it will become second nature. Idiomatic expressions are phrases that have a meaning which isn't necessarily apparent from looking at the words themselves. They're a big part of what makes English colorful and expressive. For example, kick the bucket doesn't literally mean to kick a bucket. Instead, it's an idiomatic expression that means to die. Now, you might be thinking, how can we figure out these idiomatic expressions if they aren't literal? The answer is context clues. These are hints that the sentence or paragraph gives you about what an unfamiliar word or phrase might mean. For example, if someone said, "After climbing Mount Everest, I was on cloud 9, you could guess that on cloud 9 means extremely happy or ecstatic, given the context of the person's accomplishment. Understanding context clues is a critical skill in deciphering idiomatic expressions. Here are a few types of context clues you might encounter. 1. Definition clue. The meaning of the idiomatic expression is directly provided in the sentence. Example: when he missed the train, he realized he was in hot water, meaning he was in trouble. 2. Synonym clue. A word in the sentence with the same meaning as the idiomatic expression. Example: he spilled the beans, or revealed the secret, to his sister. 3. Contrast. Antonym clue. The sentence uses contrast to help define the idiomatic expression. Example: while she was a social butterfly, he preferred to be a lone wolf. It's time to put your understanding to the test with some quizzes. I will give you a sentence containing an idiomatic expression, and your task is to use the context clues to understand the meaning. 1. After hours of studying, Jane finally saw the light. 2. The secret project was my boss's brainchild. 3. Although he was an influential politician, he always felt like a fish out of water in social gatherings. Use the context clues to guess the meaning of the idiomatic expressions and jot down your answers. We'll review them together shortly. Well done on getting through today's topic. Remember, understanding idiomatic expressions using context clues is a skill that develops with practice. Keep working on it, and soon you'll find these fascinating phrases unfolding their meanings to you effortlessly. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your horizons.